In a world where compassion has no limits, there is silent suffering, countless animals, and our fellow beings suffer from neglect, abuse, cruelty, and so many more. Their pain is often overlooked and goes unnoticed, but together, we can change that.
We often see animals or pets being leashed in uncomfortable tight ropes or chains and not being cared for properly, looking dirty and being neglected.
Recently, a major issue about animal abuse has been brought to the forefront and caught the public's attention. A lovely golden retriever named Killua died due to a tragic incident that took the dog's life. This tragic happening has brought public outrage and a demand for justice. With this advocacy, we will use our voice to help raise awareness regarding this issue, where the pain of these poor helpless animals goes unnoticed.
We'll shine a light on the suffering that often goes unnoticed.
Every neglected animal deserves our attention.
Together, we can make a difference.
Tama!
What can we do to help those animals that are being abused physically?
Report to the authorities when you see animals being abused or neglected.
Compassion starts with us. Adapt, don't shop. Together, we can volunteer to adopt animals.
Ang pusang ito ay inalagaan ng school kaya lumaki siya ng maayos.
Together, we can make a difference.